All right. Hello, parents and students. Here's a little bit of a quick review from what we did today. We learned how to move from a Zoom meeting into what we needed to do for class. So we pretended like we were in Zoom, and then I practiced showing the students on the iPad. In order to move to another app at the same time, they just click the home button here for the iPad. Okay. If they were on the internet, I taught them how to minimize the screen. This looks a little different on the laptop, but I taught them how to minimize the screen on the laptop and go into Chrome. Okay, so let's say I'm in Zoom, and then we come out here, we go to Clever, always log in, and then it's going to load and take us to our Clever page. This is your main hub to get everywhere. So for example, they can go to Google Classroom. It might ask you for your account, and if it does, just make sure you click on yourself. And so it's loading, but it's taking too long. So now I'm going to just close it and try again. And this time it worked. So there's some troubleshooting issues there. So if it happens to get stuck, just close it out and open it back up. So then this is how you can get to the specials classes as well. And then down here, we're going to go to mine. And then what's important, stream, classwork, and people. On the laptop, it's up top. On the iPad, it's down here. It's important to look at the stream, yes, but that's where all the new stuff is, and it can kind of be out of order. It's important to go to classwork. So when we go to classwork, that's when everything is labeled for you. Class information, like our Zoom link, maybe some schedule stuff, reading resources. So this is where the students can click, and then they can click on this and it goes to my reading Bitmoji classroom. So it may take a minute to load. And when it does, this is where there are places that students can click. Like for example, if it has blue around it, they can click on these stories and it automatically takes them to where they can watch it. Okay. That's how you exit out, and we can go back, and then we're here on the classwork again. There's the same thing for math resources. So same thing, a math Bitmoji classroom. Now here's what's interesting. Each week, I will say the second week of school, third week of school, and then I'll have the dates. So you will also have access to the presentations that I shared with your students in class. So like for this one, this was my slides from today, and it might take a long time to load just because there are a lot of slides. So you can actually see the presentations here, and also on the first page of this, there are the Zoom meeting links that the kids can click on, and then they will know how to get there. Okay, so that's how to get to classwork, and this is going to be mostly where everything is.